They say Asari Dokubo men don't enter inside Bese for inside the BiafraLand though. My people. You remember this thing? Let me tell you, this video not happen today, but I know why they bring and come up. Because within that period of time where they see them, they march, they show in men, at that time this thing take happen. So we don't they get information since say this is a business where this men they go use the southeast people they do. They go carry motor, waka from River State, enter inside Imo State, enter one village, or inside Abia State, or Enugu, go they carry people. Yeah, they carry that person, they go dump them for bush, come they collect money for their head. If you hear for that video, waiting they talk, they say this is Asari Dokubo men, and they identify themselves for inside this particular video. Because most of them no gree talk through when they do this video for that play. But later, we'll get the information say these people you see here, na wana, na them be that. My people, things are happening. Let me play you the video for you to watch. I'm going to mute some part. But watch the video from beginning to end. May you see what they happen. They carry some people from Omakaolu. They carry some people from Orodo. They carry some people from different places for inside Southeast. Just watch the video from beginning to end before we come back and continue.
Huh? You are from River State. You don't just enter here, ba. Can you get out of Kebano? And not watch that is where Kebi Domina. Huh? You can't find your girlfriend for where? From this place. You want Ibonyara? Tell yourself truth. You want pass where? Huh? You want pass where? Okay, don't worry. You don't want to tell yourself truth. Huh? Tell yourself truth. Tell yourself truth. You can't find who? Where is your man? You don't get anybody name. You don't get their name. You don't get anybody name. You don't get anybody. Okay. You don't enter now.
What is your place? Straight from where?
You don't enter now.
Straight from where?
No problem.
Oh, yeah. I want one day during that. No, she. Even so, that ever had yourself,
Oh, munam leno muta no patrol na bale. Puta fumuta no na nduru omago. Nduru Old Express for mago. For na blood juru everywhere. You have number the motor. Everywhere blood. So I am only here, but I want to ATM card. You're happy. You have blood here. You have blood here. Car shoe here. So I am only with the motor and the key on the motor. Car gallon had one. I am hold the person up till now. So come when I go. Munle the blood that person. No, you singlet had the cash. Yeah, Drew, she a panta we put Old Express. The queen here, I can't tell us the corner. And when we no corner as we be. Him na gakita na can go she have come sit down where balls of the person over there. One hard nana. You know, one hour and beat them Joko, India. Yeah, better be on there. You go here. Here was a blood. Here, Moko. Here, on here, no Yajangan. Kakuhano, how met to Mutai with the machine. Dodges here. Here, by here, I use her. I'm about going the other side. I can't with the Tahanka.
Yes. And then we'll have brought them in. Banana and man in the hand. Yeah, inside the house. Yeah, inside the house. The house happened to do. I believe no more. I believe room near the house.
Yes. Yesterday night around 8 p.m. More than about with my brother. So I don't even want to be on that. You understand? So I'm from motor park along the line. You know, all here Highlander. One is down a quarter. My hand go fuel. So more about for it. You know, stop with my brother. I stop when I near Goku. I would try to move the allowance. You for the Kadimota Abra, the process
from Oluakwa.
No Macadia. So the cross on the Simurito, Marito, how drive what the motor. Take them Nabu to the Highland Harbor. About can get the
Okay, how was you doing?
Yes, sir.
Before Ngoma?
Yes.
I have one.
I'm James.
Go on.
I'm Oluchuku from Orodo.
And Orodo. Go on.
I'm Onyambise.
Onyambise.
I'm going to do anybody from that side.
Keba with them with Regi.
I'm going to the same side.
Never.
After Ukwoji. After Ukwoji, that's Ebe trailer park. Ebe trailer na park. Then front, I mean one small checking point. I just know the police.
Okay.
So I push there. I check there. So we lay him na park. So he
Hajebe.
Ejebu, AK-47.
AK-47.
Then I saw work with me travel because my mom one much so the thing I travel can allow better.
Okay.
So from there, so when the motor, so home one the man pick news. So what she by then, so this my man, Makayaman Nazo, so you're ready to say, is worried to so lie down. Before I know this. Man, nyaze biaze na azụ. Park kwa ya mama. So
Obu moto nke kwa.
Obu moto nke ya Highlander.
Okay.
So before na amanye na-eme. So the papa lies down. Atubaze ha abụọ ni, atubaze mu na boot. Then nyaze she side irete ko ya. Ogbako. Baze ni me just na agba okirikiri just awotazi motation agbaze juzu maka ya nwa na boot. Brozie ise.
Okay. Elekwe ni enwe ihe akwuru bụ mkpa ha.
After I the this thing, after moto that's the other guy called through. So as soon as I was our people. So when I him phone, I call my sister. So now I'm here to go look at my sister when he came. So mom, I know me
okay.
I say let him now. So it's bad to me here now. Can't go. I jump up my judges. So I sham had that one. So I say let him my sister now. So into. So in fact, I'm permanent thing on girl. So he's a jack of all trades. So you're not DRB. But you're not DR no channel man like that. So some looking here 20 million. So from there, my sister, Hannah, my sister, so my sister saw actually that she will reach back to them. So as soon as I can see house, and you preserve and you papa. So this one get the pattern for body now. So this one a big man, he just the lie. So if I know my enemy, I do watch the aqua, catches him. You can check my
Yeah.
Then catches him now. Then we make way my people the same thing.
Yes. The same thing.
Not my phone, my 2 phone. Then my other one, a message transfer from my OP account. I'm asking maybe then I got my ATM. I got my wallet. We take on my wallet with 4,000 rented in my pitching goal. The driver made him translate on you.
Okay.
So that is it.
Can they rescue Zirun?
The rescues I will the Urala vigilante.
Urala vigilante.
Yeah, I can't really express it now. How about it too much?
Okay. Because ndị ụnụ na ahụ ya awụ ụmụnne anyị ụmụ afọ Igbo ndị kidnappers. Unfortunately, on the way from war, and when they went in, when they kidnapped Panolo, then Bruham Batawaze Uruala, Ebe Habuhaga, Ekpanta, Kedena Uzua Koli, Uruala. So, fortunately, then, when G Guard, Haman abandoned the side of road towards JLKAB, White, towards Nduru Umo Bustroko, Mago, Uruala. Ode Panta Road, Express Road. So we got information, then we abandoned the motor there. From there, we start our investigation. Later on, we find out, Umunaya, whenever the money, looking for another vehicle to carry them go out. But fortunately, the god of land and the Onyekere Major. I rescue her and her body. No be small thing, it's a terrible something, but by the special grace of God, we rescue these our brothers. We still search them. So them, thank you. When you want to go, this security time here. Security in the rural and the entire community. God bless you people. Thank you.
My wonderful people, please, I want you to share this video. Share this video. You don't see many things where they happen for inside that side. You don't see and say this man where they call Asari Dokubo, you know about them. You don't see these guys are from River State and they be as a one. They even responded, go hide their color. But thank God, say our men are very brave and they are watching. Share the video.